Fact 1. Dust after Tambora's eruption lowered temperatures worldwide. 1816 was a year without summer. The year 1816 is known as the year without a summer because of severe climate abnormalities that caused average global temperatures to decrease by 0.4 to 0.7 degrees Celsius. Summer temperatures in Europe were the coldest on record between the years of 1766 to 2000. This resulted in major food shortages across the Northern Hemisphere. Fact 2. Each year the Amazon sends 20% of Earth's available fresh water into the Atlantic. The Amazon represents 20% of the global riverine discharge to the ocean. The Amazon basin is the largest drainage basin in the world, with an area of approximately 7 million square kilometers, 2,700,000 square miles. The portion of the river's drainage basin in Brazil alone is larger than any other river's basin. The Amazon enters Brazil with only 1/5 of the flow it finally discharges into the Atlantic Ocean, yet already has a greater flow at this point than the discharge of any other river. Fact 3. The earliest known timekeeping device was the gnomon, a rudimentary sundial developed by about 3500 BC. The first sundial was created more than 5,500 years ago. In the year 3500 BCE, sundials have even been found in ancient Egyptian ruins. Many ancient cultures including the Egyptians, Greeks and Romans used sundials. The Romans were the first to divide the day into 12 hours to better mark the time in meetings. The day was divided into two periods, ante-meridiem, before midday, and post-meridiem, after midday, which are now known as AM and PM. Fact 4. There are weather stations in the Atacama that have never recorded any rain. There are weather stations in the Atacama that have never recorded any rain. The town of Calima went without a single drop of rain from 1570 to 1971, more than 400 years. There are river beds that have been dry for 120,000 years. And scientists think that the Atacama has been a desert for over 3 million years, which would make it the oldest dry spot on Earth. Fact 5. Australia is moving 7 centimeters to north every year. It is the fastest moving continental landmass in the world. Australia is moving 7 centimeters to north every year. The Australian plate is the fastest moving continental landmass on Earth and is colliding into the fastest moving tectonic plate, the Pacific Plate, which is to Australia's north and east. These combined tectonic movements cause the buildup of stress in the interior of the Australian plate, which is then released during earthquakes. Fact 6. The world's largest traffic jam occurred in Beijing, China. It was about 60 miles long and lasted for 11 days. The China National Highway 110 traffic jam was a recurring massive traffic jam that began to form on August 13, 2010, mostly on China National Highway 110, G110, and Beijing-Tibet Expressway, G6, in Hebei and Inner Mongolia. The traffic jam slowed thousands of vehicles for more than 100 kilometers, 60 miles, and lasted for 11 days. Many drivers were able to move their vehicles only 1 kilometer, 0.6 miles per day, and some drivers reported being stuck in the traffic jam for 5 days. It is considered to be one of the longest traffic jams by some media. Fact 7. Airplane food isn't very tasty because our sense of smell and taste decreases by 20% to 50% while flying. The atmosphere inside the cabin affects your sense of smell first. Then, as the plane gets higher, the air pressure drops while humidity levels in the cabin plummet. At about 30,000 feet, humidity is less than 12% drier than most deserts. The combination of dryness and low pressure reduces the sensitivity of your taste buds to sweet and salty foods by around 30%, according to a 2010 study conducted by Germany's Fraunhofer Institute for Building Physics, commissioned by German airline Lufthansa. Fact 8. Japan has over 5 million vending machines nationwide. At slightly over 5 million nationwide, Japan has the highest density of vending machines worldwide, There is approximately one vending machine per every 23 people, according to the Japan Vending Machine Manufacturers Association. Annual sales total more than $60 billion. And they are marked by an incredible variety. The machines sell any number of types of soft drinks, coffee, tea, cigarettes, candy, soup, hot food, and even sake and beer. Fact 9. Singapore unveils one of the world's biggest floating solar panel farms. Singapore unveiled one of the world's biggest floating solar power farms on July 14, 2021, covering an area the size of 45 football fields. The project comprises 122,000 panels on the Tengah Reservoir. It is part of Singapore's efforts to quadruple its solar energy production by 2025. The farm will produce enough electricity to run the country's 5 water treatment plants. Fact 10. A lion's roar can be heard 5 miles away. The lion has the loudest roar of all the big cats. It's so loud it can reach 114 decibels, at a distance of around 1 meter, and can be heard from as far away as 5 miles. This volume is all to do with the shape of the cat's larynx. Most animals have triangular vocal cords, but lions are square and flat, which allows them to respond more easily to air passing through. Fact 11. There is a road in France that can only be used twice a day for few hours, then it disappears under 13 feet of water. This is the Passage du Gois in France, connecting the Gulf of Bern-AF and the island of Noirmoutier. It can only be used twice a day for a few hours at a time because it disappears underwater during high tide. Twice every day, when the high tide rises, the 2.58-mile-long road disappears 13 feet underwater. So people can use this road only 2 times a day for a few hours. Special panels on both sides of the road show when it's safe to use it. Fact 12. Europeans were scared of eating tomatoes when they were introduced. Scholars think Hernan Cortés brought the seeds in 1519 with the intent of the fruits being used ornamentally in gardens. By the 1700s, aristocrats started eating tomatoes, but they were convinced the fruits were poison because people would die after eating them. In reality, the acidity from the tomatoes brought out lead in their pewter plates, so they died of lead poisoning.